We're gonna do a Dollar Tree haul today, and I've been on the hunt for these tabs. I was just on my Instagram basically threatening Dollar Tree. To sell them, or they don't want to find out what happens if they don't, because I've just been going to so many stores trying to find these tabs, and they were literally on the website, you guys, 4 days ago, and they're gone. Like, they're not on the website. I don't know if like I'm just searching the wrong name now, but I've searched labels, I've searched tabs, I've searched Jot, because I know the brand is Jot. I've even searched Crafter Square just in case like there was a switcheroo on me. I haven't been able to sleep because all I can think about are these tabs, and it's ridiculous, and it's a circus show that's going on in my life. So, and it's also irrelevant because I don't have the tabs from this haul. I just feel like I wanted to tell you guys that I can't sleep at night. All right, so let me show you what I did find. I am so happy that I came across more of these wall borders. They are the ones with the strawberries. These are by far my favorite wall borders that have ever come across a Dollar Tree. You get 12 pieces in here, and you know that I'm going to use it for journaling. Don't forget that I will be live on Sunday, YouTube live on this channel, and we will junk journal together. So I found those. I also needed a restock of sponges. They have the blue and the green, but this time I wanted to pick up the pink and the yellow. So I love that. Also, I think I saw someone post on their Instagram. I'm not sure who, like, or where I saw this, but I saw that there was an orange pack to the garland trim, and I had just hauled like the last Dollar Tree haul, and I thought I got all the colors. But yeah, so apparently there's an orange set, and the fun set in the center are the carrots. So you've got a little pom-pom trim, and then like the little zigzaggy thing. Like, what's that called? I feel like there's a name for this, but I don't know what it's called. But it's the trim in the middle that is super cute, and love that. I also picked up some of these circus stickers. You know, I already have like 75 of these somewhere in my craft room drawers, but I decided to pick up more because I have a problem, and two, I want to do like a circus themed junk journal, and I think this would be so darling. I want it to really have like the cutest vintage feel to it, and when I looked at these in particular, I was like, they actually kind of do give off a very nice vintage quality to them. So I think I got several of them. They're probably in another bag. I also picked up a pack of these sunflower thank you cards. I've been hauling quite a few of these. These are really cute, so I love those. Something that I haven't hauled in a while, but it's this like box of Epsom salt tablets, and they are lavender scented. How many do you get? 6 in here, and I completely forgot about this whole pack. It's been around at Dollar Tree for a while now, and here's what it looks like. This would also look really cute in a gift basket if someone you know is kind of like under the weather. This would look really nice, you know, for like a gift. Okay, next up, I picked up some more seeds, but these have a watermelon. Well, one, it's watermelon seeds, but look at that packaging. It's so cute. I'm obsessed with these. I've also like turned these into decor. If you're new, I think last year at the old house, I did a DIY. I'll try to find it and link it down below for you. And I turned these into banners, and it was so cute in my entryway. But now my newest obsession, of course, is using them for junk journaling. Like, they are just so pretty. And I was so excited when I found watermelon. I'm hoping to find strawberries. If your store has strawberries, comment and let me know. But I can't seem to find them. I really want strawberries, so I think I'm gonna have to go to, I don't know, where do I go to get seed packets? do I go to like Home Depot or something? Because I really want to find strawberries. So if you know, comment that information down below for me. I also decided to pick up these garage sale labels. I think I've held them once, like in my entire YouTube career. And this time I was just like, these might be cute in my junk journal. So you've got like the $1 price, you've got $1, 25 cents, 50 cents, make an offer. Yeah, so it's super cute. I don't know. So I might see how they work out in my junk journal. So I got those. Then I found a lip liner, LA Colors. If you missed the last haul, I'll link it down below because I was raving about their eyebrow pencil. I'm wearing it right now. I bought like 10 packets of them, and listen, if there were more at this particular store, because this is a different store from the last haul, I would have bought more. I will keep buying till I have them like by the hundreds, I think, which is a little much. But listen, okay, I ain't got no man, I got nothing to do, so I'm just gonna go to Dollar Tree and, you know, pretend I have my life together. I don't know. This is like, I feel like this is nice and subtle. I think I really like it. The color, what's the color of this? Laughter? The slogan to my life. God, it actually should be crying. A crying emoji. Next up, I found these. Also, as you can see, the Teaching Tree label. And they are bulletin board puzzle decors. These are new. They also have different like styles as well, but I picked these because they have a fruit thing going on. Like, how cute is that? So I want to open it and just kind of take a look. I thought I could use these for junk journaling as well. Okay, so they're blank. I didn't know if like the writing was just as an example or what. So here we have kiwis. That is so amazing, you guys. Run to get these. Here we've got the lemon. I don't know if they're supposed to be a lemon or an orange. Then we have the watermelon. Looks like you get 3 to a pack. And then these are the strawberries. That is so cute. So yeah, you know I had to go in hard. I also want to do like a farmer's market style junk journal. So when I saw these, that's exactly where my brain went with that. So very excited about that find. Okay, in the second bag, I have 3 total bags. I've found some new cleaning products, so comment down below and let me know if you've ever used this and like what your thoughts are. Because this is Carbona. Don't know if I'm saying that right. This is an oven cleaner. Oh, my camera is like, whoa, what just happened there? Fume-free, penetrates and removes grease and grime. And yeah, it's a oven cleaner, so I don't know. But let me know what you guys think. How would you rate this out of 5 stars? Because I do definitely need to do some oven cleaning. Then I found this, the Brillo Basics brand, but it is actually a dish spray. It's a dishwashing soap spray. I thought that this was implied for the dishwasher, but it's not. It's like essentially like Dawn dish soap, I think is what they're trying to compete with. So I'll give it a try. And then because I love Dollar Tree socks, I saw some more, so I just grabbed 1 pair. It is the men's. I do have a size 8 woman's foot. So for me, I have found that these fit me decently. They're not like a snug, tight fit, but they don't also feel like too large and chunky in my shoe at all to me. So for me, it kind of like works. So I got those. Then I found this, which is so cute. It looks brand new. I don't think it's a Dollar Tree brand. And the reason why I talk brands to you guys is because it really does help you in navigating through Dollar Tree and knowing how to shop and when to shop. And that's really key to Dollar Tree because it's a very unique store. You know, they do have their own warehouse where things come in, but they also acquire things from other places. And this is acquired from somewhere else. And that means that once it's off the shelf, we're probably not going to see a restock. So anyways, this looks like some type of Band-Aid kit, but you can add it to like a keychain of some sort. And it's just so cute and unique. Like, tell me that's not darling. This would be really cute if you have to put together like a bunch of baskets or grab bags for something. I don't know, like for me, when I think of like my life and Micah's, I think of like the time that she rushed for sorority, or, you know, like things like that, or going on some type of like camping trip. I don't know. So this is really cute though. Like, look at this little container, which, by the way, just to get the container itself, then you do have some Band-Aids, but you might want to consider picking it up just for this. So I thought that was really cute. And the Band-Aids are really interesting. They have like a hashtag thing. So hashtag love and hashtag TBT. And then OOTD, outfit of the day. What's TBT? Throwback Thursday? Is that? I don't freaking know, y'all. Hashtag love and then hashtag selfie. That reminds me of Love Island. Megan and I are currently watching Love Island right now. We're watching season 9 of UK and we're watching season 4 of Australia. And they always like do these hashtag things. But anyways, this is new and really cute and it's gonna fly off. So if you want it, I would say next time you're at Dollar Tree, now's probably the time to grab it. All right. Here are the snacks that I picked up on this trip. I like to sometimes reward myself with a snack, and I wanted to do something different, so I picked up this bag of Nerds Cluster, and they are so good. I love these. Then I found this pack, which looked new, but it's the brand Charms, and it's watermelon lollipops. Like, look how cute that is. I'm gonna open it so you guys can kind of see. That is so adorable. And just for my crafters out there, for my junk journalers, you know, you can have your little lollipop and then the wrapping itself would be cute to journal with. So I just think that looks adorable. Let me taste this. Wow. Tastes like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. 10 out of 10. And I picked a new pack of gummies. I went with the Haribo frogs. Haribo? Haribo. I keep saying Haribo, but I think it's Haribo. Frogs. I usually go for like Coca-Colas or the cherries, but I wanted to do something different on this trip, so I went with the frogs. All right, so that's the second bag. Now I'm gonna grab the last bag, and there's quite a bit in here. First of all, my stores just put this out, and I've been saying this all January and February, but I just kind of feel like my stores seemed very behind in stocking Valentine's Day. And look how cute these tote bags are. I found these with, like, the dogs are at a kissing booth and the cat is coming in on balloons. Like, that's just precious. And they're wearing like stuff that Dollar Tree sells, which is so cute, like the glasses and the heart things. Then I have the little red truck. Little pink gingham moment. What does this have? Little hearts. That is so cute. These tote bags are really great. I mean, they are actually amazing quality for $1.25. So if you like to throw these kind of tote bags in your car for like shopping bags, I think these are pretty decent. So I got those. Then I did pick up a bunch of ribbon. So I'll just show you guys what I got. I went with yellow, red, and this like baby pink. These are just like the basic ribbons and they are really good. I love this brand with the ribbon. You're gonna find it in the floral garden section. This is really good. All right, here's some more of those vintage-y circus stickers. I also found these, which look new to me. They're called sequin sheets, and they are by Crafter Square. They also had a fourth option, which was gold. I didn't grab it because, in all honesty, I was just too lazy to peel them all back to grab from the back. But sequin sheets, I don't quite know how I'm going to use these, but I'm automatically thinking that it would look cute on the inside of my journal. So like this is an example. All of my journals, by the way, sold out so fast, so thank you. I'm gonna stock more of these in my Etsy shop. But what I mean is lining this part with the sequin sheets. Like, that would be cute, right? I think that's what I'm gonna do with those. But anyways, so I found this like mermaidy purple, and then the white, and then this like teal color. Is that teal? I don't know. I bought more of these table scatter hearts because I'm, like I mentioned, my junk journal, I'm gonna have like a love theme all the way up until like May. I'm definitely gonna go love and Valentine's Day this month, March and April for sure in my junk journal. So I'm trying to get as much like Valentine's Day stuff as I can before it's like all gone. And Dollar Tree, you know, just officially moves on to like spring and Easter. Here's another roll of the yellow ribbon, another thing of that. Then I found these little mini carrots, and they are so cute. They're like styrofoam, so there's really no weight to them. I'm trying to think of how I want to use them. I think from a crafting perspective, I could turn these into like little paper clip toppers. But I think from a decor perspective, they would look cute in a wreath or in a tier tray somehow. Like you could create a little tiny banner for your tier tray, and you could string, you know, twine through these carrots and create a banner with them. So I think that would look really adorable. And the last thing, which is pretty random that this is like the last thing, but I found a thermometer. A 60-second digital thermometer at Dollar Tree. And I don't know if I've ever seen a thermometer. And if I have, I think it's been a while, but let's test it. I should probably wash it, right? But we're just gonna risk it. You know, I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm like tripping. Okay, okay. .2. There you have it. Seems like a pretty accurate reading to me. And it says its accuracy is by 0.2 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, guys, that's it for today's haul. Come back tomorrow. I have a huge Dollar General and little Five Below haul. I know this is my first Five Below haul since moving to Florida, so I'll show you guys what I found, and that will be tomorrow. So thank you for joining me today with Dollar Tree, and I'll see you next time. Bye.